The Heart of Islam, unveiling the 6 pillars of Iman. What is faith? In Arabic we say Iman. Faith has 3 important elements. 1 to believe in your heart, 2 to believe with your tongue, 3 to believe with your body. It means your actions should align with your beliefs. In Islam, the pillars of faith, or Arkan al-Iman, are the 6 core beliefs that every Muslim is expected to uphold. These beliefs form the foundation of a Muslim's faith and understanding of their relationship with Allah. Here's an overview. 1. Belief in Allah, Tawheed. The first and foremost belief is to believe that Allah is the only God, without any partners, equals, or children. Allah is the creator of everything. We seek help only from Allah. We must do everything that pleases Allah. 2. Belief in angels, Malaika. Muslims believe in the existence of angels created by Allah from light. Angels are spiritual beings who obey Allah's commands, play important roles in the universe, and serve as messengers to prophets. The angels are not like humans. They do not eat or drink nor sleep nor marry. They never disobey Allah. They write down our actions as well. 3. Belief in the divine books, Kitab. Muslims believe that Allah has revealed holy books to guide humanity. These books offer wisdom and guidance. These books are speech of Allah. Muslims believe in the books of Allah sent to his messengers. The list of the books are as follows. 1. The Quran revealed to Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him. 2. Injil, Bible, revealed to Prophet Isa alayhi salam. 3. Torah revealed to Prophet Musa alayhi salam. 4. Zabur to Prophet Dawood alayhi salam. 5. Scrolls revealed to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. 4. Belief in the prophets. Prophets are special people chosen by Allah to teach us his messages. Muslims believe in the prophets sent by Allah to guide people. They are humans just like us. For example, Adam alayhi salam, Nuh alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam, and Muhammad peace be upon him. They show us how to be good and follow Allah's rules. They taught people the words of Allah. Allah chose many people as prophets. 25 prophets are mentioned in the Quran. Although it is believed there have been 124,000, Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him is the last prophet. 5. Belief in the Day of Judgment, Yawm al-Qiyamah. Muslims believe in the Day of Judgment. One day Allah will bring everyone back to life. Everyone will stand in front of Allah, so that they can be rewarded for their deeds. Those who do good will enter Jannah. 6. Belief in divine decree, Qadar. This is the belief in Allah's knowledge and control over all things. Everything that happens is by Allah's will, whether it is good or bad, though humans have free will within this framework. We should be patient and trust that Allah knows what's the best for us. The only thing that can change our destiny is our doers. These beliefs are essential for a Muslim's faith and understanding of their purpose in life, offering guidance for a meaningful and righteous life in accordance with Allah's will.